Students, welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. I am going to explain today classification of accounts under American system. To analyze dual aspect of each transaction, two approaches can be followed. Number one, traditional approach, also known as bookkeeping approach. That is English system. Number two, accounting equation approach, also known as modern approach, that is American system. In this video, I am going to explain the number two, that is accounting equation approach. Accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. The relationship of assets with that of liabilities and capital is in equation form, is known as accounting equation. The double entry system states every transaction has twofold effects. These twofold effects affects change in assets, liability or capital in such a way that accounting equation is complete and equated. Under this approach, the total accounts are classified into 5 types. One by one. Classification of accounts or categories of accounts or types of accounts under modern approach. Under this approach, total accounts are classified into 5 types. Number 1, assets accounts. Number 2, liabilities accounts. Number 3, capital accounts. Number 4, expenses, losses accounts. Number 5, incomes. Income is also known as revenues / gains accounts. The profit or loss of the business and financial position of the business is ascertained once in a year. A year consists of 12 months period. This 12 months period is known as accounting period, accounting year, financial period, financial year. Every financial year starts from 1st April and ends with 31st March. During this 12 months period, we are maintaining 5 types of accounts in the ledger. At the end of the accounting period, at time of calculating the profit or loss of the business, the last 2 accounts we are closing and transferred to where? Transferred to trading and profit and loss account. We are closing. Out of 5 accounts, we are closing last 2 accounts. The last 2 accounts are called temporary account. Every accounting period ending on 31st March, whatever the balance existed in expenses, losses, incomes and gains, we are closing, transferred to where? Transferred to trading and profit and loss account. The starting 3 are called permanent accounts. We are not closing. The answers of assets account, answers of liabilities accounts, answers of capital accounts are not to be closed. That is why we are showing the positions of these 3 accounts in a separate statement called balance sheet. In the balance sheet, we are showing the positions of what? Positions of assets account, liabilities account and capital account. The balance sheet is a statement divided into 2 parts. The right hand part is called assets side. The left hand is called liabilities. Assets are shown on asset side. The balances of liabilities shown on liability side. The capital, that is inner liability, shown on liability side. And the last 2, that is temporary account, were transferred to trading and profit and loss account. It is a consist of 2 parts. Left hand part is called debit, the right hand part is called credit. On debit side, expenses, losses are recorded. On credit side, incomes and gains are recorded. The answers of expenses, losses were closing, transferred to where? Transferred to trading and profit and loss account on debit side. The answers of incomes and gains are shown on the credit side, that is income side, by means of closing these 2 accounts. We are closing expenses account, transferred to debit side. We are closing the incomes, transferred to credit of trading and profit and loss account. Now, one by one I am going to explain. First one, assets accounts. Number 1, assets accounts. Accounts of assets or comes under assets account. Then What is assets? Assets means properties. Properties of the business, possessions of the business, economic resources of the business. We are measuring in terms of money. Assets accounts generally shows debit balance. The debit balance of assets are shown in the balance sheet on asset side. Now, examples. Examples of assets. Cash. Cash comes in asset. Bank comes in asset. Debtors due from customers comes under assets. Bills receivable, that is due from customers on the basis of bills. Investments, investment of money outside the business is called investment. Investment of money inside the business is called capital. Purchase of fixed deposits of bank, purchase of national saving certificates of post office, purchase of shares of company, comes under investment. Investment comes under what? Assets. Stock. Unsold goods on 31st March, that is closing stock. Closing stock is also comes under what? Comes under assets. Loose tools also comes under assets. Next item, accrued incomes. That is receivable income. Receivable incomes also comes under assets. Example, rent receivable, income receivable for this current accounting period. Some amount is not received yet. Receivable comes under accrued income. Rent receivable, interest receivable, commission receivable or comes under accrued income. Accrued income comes under assets. Beside this, Prepaid expenses also comes under assets. Expenses related to next accounting period, we paid in this year, it is called prepaid expenses. Insurance, it is prepaid insurance. Prepaid salary. Examples of prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses comes under what? Comes under assets. The remaining will continue in the next video. Thank you, students.